So overall, the feedback was quite good. People liked the app. People liked the idea of the app. One thing that became very clear to us was within our target market, which is the young professionals, was the place where people most appreciated it and could relate to the fact that they were in a musical concert and they would like to have something like this where they could download the music. Within other groups, it was a bit more confusing and people didn't fully relate to it, so we decided, to really hone in on our target group, and we're very happy that we're on the right track.
So based on user interviews, we've seen that the QR code is not exactly intuitive and most people don't like it. They'd rather have it be more GPS based, where you're at a location and you can directly download it instead of actually finding a QR code and then downloading it. And the other piece of feedback that we got was, given Unsigned is an app both for musicians as well as people who listen to music, we need to kind of clearly distinguish between the two UI flows to make it a lot more clear.
We had from
One of the things that we learned and talked to people about at the 4 Years From Now conference was about the design of our app. And one thing that they told us was that we need to work on the flow of the design and just go back to following the conventional rules. We got some feedback that we could even add a hamburger menu, which we had kind of thought about staying away from. And then the other thing was just figuring out really what we want to put on the homepage and then how we want the rest of the architecture to